Hello, this is a rational functions video. Our team is conformed by Diana, Anna, Sebas, Becky, and myself.
A rational function is a quotient of two polynomials, and it must be following this form. An asymptote is an imaginary line that the graph approaches but never reaches. There are two types, the vertical and the horizontal. The vertical can be obtained by equaling the denominator to 0, and the horizontal one can be obtained by analyzing the exponents of the variables. If the exponent number 1 is smaller than m, then the asymptote will be 0. If m is equal to n, the asymptote will be obtained by analyzing the exponents and the respecting values, and if n is greater than m, there will be no asymptote.
Now we're going to do some exercises.
First of all, we need to get our vertical asymptote, and for that we are going to equal the denominator to 0 and then solve for x. Then for the horizontal asymptote, we need to check our x exponents and then do a division. For the y-intercept, we're going to replace x for 0 and then solve. And for the x-intercept, we're going to equal all the equation to 0. Then for the graphic, we're going to do a table where we're going to give x certain values and then we're going to replace them in the original equation. Then we're going to do our graphic and we're going to draw the vertical and the horizontal asymptote. Then from the result we get from the table, we're going to graph those and then finally we get our final graphic.
First, we start by analyzing our vertical and horizontal asymptotes. We get the horizontal one by analyzing the exponents of the variables. In this case, n is smaller than m, so the horizontal asymptote will be equal to 0. Then we go to the vertical one. For getting that, first we need to factorize, and then equal everything to 0. That's why we get -3 and +3 as results. Now that we have our asymptotes, we need to complete a chart with the coordinates and the values y would have. Then we draw our Cartesian plane and draw our asymptotes, the two vertical and the horizontal one. After that, we need to start locating the coordinates inside the plane and then draw the graph.